Return home to us, my love.
My love, my love. John Jones, you have returned. Uh, How could this be? Brother, how are you speaking? I have always been able to, John. I thought you of all people would have known this. How do you feel, John? What do you mean? Answer the question, John. Did you know that from a young age I learned that my disability was not the problem, but it was the solution? It helped me understand the true nature of a species, the domination of those deemed lesser than you. Malafak, do you even understand what you have done? How much destruction you caused? How many innocent lives were lost? Women, children, do you know what you did to our family? Your family. Malafak, we loved you. Maria, the little one, Chaim, even do not say his name. Your father was dead to me long before his burning corpse hit the sand. I'm glad you escaped the torment that the others suffered. I'm the last of my species. This is no paradise. You were always the most kind to me through all of the lectures and abuse I have endured. Your spoken voice always steadied me, my anger, my pain. When you left me to join the Manhunters, I was once again alone. Molofak, it was an honor bestowed upon me by our father to protect and service. Speaking of your father, despite his arrogance in life, he was more useful than I could have ever imagined. As you know, the head priest of the church of Romner has access to ancient scriptures that are otherwise inaccessible. Being thought of as his son allowed me to sleep by undetected. Everything I needed was practically handed to me. Since I could not be like the rest of you, I decided to make the rest of you like me. In In your absence from our home, I prayed for a savior. To my surprise, not one came, but many, and not from the skies, like the scriptures stated, but from the caverns below, an entire people right beneath our feet, deep within the core of Malacandria. Saviors? Yes, saviors brought down an entire civilization. And it was glorious to see the pale ones only needed one little push towards victory. In a wicked combination of ancient text, a malicious formula was concocted that psychically triggered mass combustion. Ramnir's curse, you know it was all too well. Do not. First-hand experience is the best teacher after all. With no one able to speak psychically, everyone was finally on my level. If I can be honest with you, the combustion was an unwarranted but welcome side effect. It was time Mars gained new leadership. The pale ones were much stronger than even the mightiest Martian warrior, with even their shape-shifting abilities outmatching ours. In the mass hysteria, the pale ones brought peace and justice to their new empire. Do you not remember, John? The camps and abuse they put us through were anything but justice. I was forced to bury the dead. They were all so young. I ran the first sons. I. Look at the pale ones now. They destroy everything they touch, even their own society. And will you call it justice for what I endured for my whole life? The ridicule, mockery, and shame of being unable to join group prayer to the great god Ramnar, all because of a birth defect. The way I say it, we as a people were finally equal. Suffering builds strength. Life is built on suffering. I am glad everyone got to understand that. Malafak, I'm finished with your sick and twisted games. You could have led the Malacandrians into the new age of discovery, learning, philosophy, and understanding. Just because you were unable to communicate telepathically did not mean that you were worth any less. You should have told that to the council, to father. Instead, they treated me like an outcast, an alien amongst my own people. Can you imagine being unable to reveal your true self to your own people due to the fear of being ridiculed and outcasted? Yes, I can. Ever since my refuge on planet Earth, I have felt nothing but shame and loneliness, forced to use my shape-shifting abilities to deceive the humans that I am someone worth of their time. Not someone who was unable to protect their wife and daughter. Not the coward who escaped the only planet they call home, leaving behind everyone I have ever known to die alone, cold, and forgotten about. And what about not feeling the warmth and love of a family who truly wants you? You know what that does to someone. I had all of that until they were ripped from my arms. Do you not see, Malefak? The circle of destruction you created caused more damage than you could possibly imagine. All life extinguished due to your arrogance and unwillingness to learn and compromise. My wife, my child. Ah, ah, ah.
Father! Help me! It burns!
John! John! John, please!
Motherfucker, what have we done? Oh, oh.
Father, look at my new doll.
Oh, I'm not your father. Fee, fi, fo, foom. I smell a tasty Martian named Kim Yim.
Run, Kime, run! There is a monster on the loose.
Roar! You know, Malafak, you have not taken away everything from me. You may have taken my family, my livelihood, and my home. But you have not taken away me, my soul, my spirit. For I am now the last son of Mars, and within me lives on the memories of my people. The bad, and more importantly, the good. Goodbye forever, brother.
Jean Jeans, father, husband, lover, friend. Go be the protector your people need you to be. Go, my love. Go be a manhunter.